Friends, top 10 highest grossing Indian films according to IMDb rating in India. Number 10, Bajrangi Bhaijaan. It was released on 17th July 2015 and collected a worldwide gross of 911 crores. Number 9, Animal. This movie was released in 2023 and collected a worldwide gross of 929 crores. Number 8, Pathaan. Pathaan movie released in 2023 and collected a worldwide gross of 1042 crores. Number 7, Jawan. This movie was released in 2023 and collected a worldwide gross of 1142 crores. Number 6, Kalki 2898 AD. This movie was released in 2024 and collected nearly 1150 crores. Number 5, KGF Chapter 2. This movie was released in 2023 and the ending collections of KGF Chapter 2 is 1176 crores. Number 4, RRR. This movie was released in 2023 and collected a worldwide gross of 1250 crores. Number 3, Pushpa The Rule Part 2. This movie was released in 2024 and collected a worldwide gross of 1640 crores. Number 2, Bahubali 2 The Conclusion. This movie was released in 2017 and collected a worldwide gross of 1742 crores. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఫైనల్గా నెంబర్ 1కి వెళ్ళే ముందు ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మన ఛానల్ని లైక్ చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ నెంబర్ 1, దంగల్. దంగల్ మూవీ వాజ్ రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2016 and collected a worldwide gross of 2025 crores and became an industry hit.